Everyone's talking about passive income like it's magic. So I decided to test 5 of the most popular methods myself. And let's just say, some completely flopped Diwati. But one made me money while I was literally sleeping. I started this challenge with $0 and zero experience. After 30 days, I got the receipts, the income, the fails, and the one idea I'd start with today if I had to do it all over again. One, print on demand, Redbubble, Teespring. It took 3 hours to upload 15 designs with $0 upfront. Hence the cost result, 2 sales, $7.28 profit. Honestly, it's slow to start but completely hands-off once set up. 2. Selling an ebook with ChatGPT. Writing with AI, creating cover, uploading to Gumroad. Wrote a mini guide with AI in 2 hours, promoted on Reddit and Twitter, and the result, 11 downloads, $44.50. AI made this stupid easy. The hardest part was marketing it. 3. YouTube automation channel, AI voiceovers, script writing with ChatGPT, faceless videos. Used AI tools for scripts plus Pictory for videos. Posted 3 videos. Result, 0 revenue too early, 58 subs. Long game but scalable. Definitely not instant money. 4. Investing with $100. Dividend stocks. Buying stocks on phone, tracking dividends. Bought 3 dividend stocks. Result, 91 earned in 30 days. Passive, yes. Life-changing? Not yet. 5. Affiliate marketing, blog plus social media. Posting on Medium, linking products in bio, analytics, dashboard. Wrote 2 blog posts plus 1 viral tweet. Used Amazon plus Gumroad links. Result, $67.10 in commissions. This one surprised me. Low effort, high return if your content hits. Here's how I'd rank them from worst to best, based on effort versus results. 1. Affiliate marketing. Best ROI. 2. Ebook with AI. Great starter. 3. Print on demand. Set and forget. 4. YouTube automation. Long-term play. 5. Dividend stocks. True passive, but slow build. If this helped you skip some trial and error, smash the like button and tell me in the comments which idea you'd try first. I'm replying to everyone. Next up, I'm testing AI side hustles to see which one pays the most in 7 days. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss it.